guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What I Eat in a Day. Thank you so much for continuing to join me for fantastic days of food. And speaking of fantastic days of food, I've launched a food blog. Go and check it out. This is actually different to my recipe clubs. This is a blog that anybody can follow to get a sample of my recipes, what I've been up to, homewares, bowls, mugs, all the things that I love. So if you like stuff to read and you like to see beautiful pictures of food and gorgeous homewares, then please check out my blog. It's so simple. I'll link it in the description, so go and have a look at that. And also, while I've got you, go and check out my recipe clubs. Honestly, they're doing so well and so much better than I ever imagined and dreamed of. So thank you so much for that. We're actually a 5-star rated service now for both the one-on-ones and the recipe clubs as well, and my mind is blown in 3 weeks. So thank you so much to everybody that's already joined, and if you're thinking about it, please check out the website, go and have a look. It's different to the blog, so I'll link them both in the description. But anyway, enough about that. I had a very rushed morning. Unfortunately, Harrison has symptoms of COVID. I'm sure it's not COVID. We have ordered a home test that's arriving tomorrow, but he has a continuous cough and a high temperature, so we need to check him, which sadly means that the rest of us are at home right now until he gets the all clear. So if you hear shrieks and yelps throughout the day, that's kind of a little bit of explanation as to why, because I've been used to just having my mornings, and you know, I've been working pretty much till midnight most nights on this business. So yeah, it's just been a bit manic, so I need to get some lunch. But before that, let me tell you what I had for breakfast. So I had yogurt and I had peach and fruit and cherries, and it was delicious. I'll insert that now. Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna lie, this morning is a bit of a rushed one. Normally on a Monday I would drop the kids off to school, get in and have a breakfast. I've normally way eaten by now, but I've got Harrison and Layla off at the moment because Harrison has got a new cough and a temperature, which means until we get him tested, he can't go into school and we have to isolate as well, which is not that great. So it's a very quick breakfast for me today. I'm gonna have some honey yogurt. This is the 0% fat, and honestly it's delicious. I love the regular one as well, but when I see this I just grab it because I feel like I can have more of it. So I'm gonna have some of that, and on top I'm gonna have some beautiful fruit. I've got some peaches here that are gorgeous. This bowl, by the way, was a gift from a very dear friend of mine, and how beautiful is it? I absolutely love it. But anyway, I'm gonna have some cherries. So I have a few cherries here. I love cherries. I'm also going to have some raspberries as well, just a sprinkling of those, and I'm gonna slice up a peach, which I've been obsessed with eating peach recently. I've been really enjoying it. Beautiful peaches. Honestly, I absolutely love them. I've been having a peach a day for the past few weeks. I've just been really enjoying them. And I would always recommend, you know, peach and yogurt. It just tastes delicious, and it just really adds a gorgeous sweetness as well, and of course the colour is beautiful, and I'm all about aesthetics, as you guys know. So I have a peach, and this may seem like a lot of fruit, guys, but I absolutely love it. And to finish, I'm also going to have a small sprinkling, yeah, this one, of demerara sugar, which is in my matching little tea caddy that, again, my friend got me. I'm just gonna have a little bit of that, not too much, just a little bit for a bit of crunch. And there we go, a gorgeous breakfast. And I'm also gonna have some orange juice. Such a great way to start the day. I mean, it seemed like it was an inconvenience, but actually I loved it, especially the peach with the yogurt and the honey. It was just amazing. So that's what I had for my breakfast, and now I've got to cook chicken for lunch. Andrew went to Tesco to stock up on like cowpole, things like that. This is before. So I'm gonna have myself a sandwich with some sandwich things, and then tonight, because it's quite hectic, because I have to work all today and I have clients tonight, I'm gonna have leftovers. But these aren't just any leftovers. This is my Middle Eastern bamia, which is absolutely insane. And I have to say, my ride or die meal. If I could only eat one meal, it would be this. If I could only eat one meal for the rest of my life, for every meal, it would be this. It is a fantastic one. If you do want in-depth recipes from me in written form with instructions, how to, methods, shopping lists, that kind of thing, check out the recipe club. But for now, anyone that's not seen the sandwich thins, this is what they look like. I think they're really delicious and I toast them a lot of the time, but today I'm not going to toast it just because I had a toasted one with steak the other day, which was delicious. It was great, but I want to mix it up a little bit. So I'm just going to spread a little bit of mayo on here. I say a little bit, that's actually quite a lot, but I do like my mayo, and I also tend to do this as well just to make sure that both sides of my bread get a hit of mayo, because I love it. So yeah, let me just move you guys a little smidgen closer. So yeah, here's my chicken. And I mentioned that I was going to have some cheese. Now I've been really lazy and bought pre-sliced squares, and I use them for a lot. I use them for burgers. It's just convenient when you have so much to do, having to grate and cut cheese. I mean, I know it sounds a bit lame, but yeah, these are what I have. I'm actually only going to have half of one because these are actually quite large squares of cheese, which probably would perfectly fit, but I know I don't need it all. And yeah, I don't want to overpower my sandwich too much. And then that is it from me. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave just till the cheese melts ever so slightly, and then I'll be ready to eat my delicious sandwich with a Coke Zero. And now it's time to have my afternoon snack. So I'm gonna get a couple of brews on the go for myself and Andrew, and I couldn't decide between having a little bit of ice cream or a cookie, so I'm gonna have some cookie with some of my homemade soft serve, which you guys have seen me make before in vlogs. Honestly, I absolutely love it. Whenever I have it in the freezer, which is very often, I always want to eat it, and I just cannot help but have a scoop of it each night, which I think is really reasonable. I'm all for, you know, just giving into those treats every day just to make sure that I'm having something nice and sweet. So I've got a couple of brews on here, and I'm just going to serve myself up. Not too much, like I'm not going to go completely mad. In fact, I might scoop it onto the warm cookie. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Having leftovers for dinner, and last night I made my favorite meal in the whole entire world, bamia, which is a Middle Eastern lamb, garlic, tomato and okra stew. And honestly guys, this is absolutely delicious. So I'm actually going to warm it up in the microwave because I don't want to warm the whole portion, so I'm going to spoon out what I want, have it with some rice and some flatbread. But it's delicious. I cannot wait. If you do want to see my recipes, again, you can head to my recipe club. Bamia is one of the upcoming recipes that is coming this week, which I'm very, very excited about. So please do check it out because honestly, it's just the best. And that's it. The end of another fantastic day of food. Honestly, that bamia, okra, it's delicious. Like, I can't even tell you, it's literally my ride or die meal. I cannot get enough of it. I can eat it cold, I can eat it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I just love it so much. So I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to end the video here with my nightly orange. I've had a lot of fruit today because I had a lot of fruit for breakfast, and I've also been nibbling on these cherries throughout the day. I feel like I can't resist them, but yeah. But yeah, I'm going to end it here with my nightly orange. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like. Please go and check out my website, my blog, my recipe clubs, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.